Now we're going to look at the reactions of the halides with bromine water. So, our halides, as before, are colourless, okay, and chloride, bromide, iodide. And the reactions we are going to be doing can be summarised on this board here. Okay. So, the first reaction we'll be doing is bromine water with chloride. If this reaction occurs, we'll see the green colour of chlorine water and the bromide ions formed. The second reaction, bromine displacing bromide to give bromine and bromide. We should see no observable reaction because it's displacing itself. And then finally, the last reaction, bromine reacting with iodide. If the reaction is successful, iodine will be formed, which will give us a brown colour in our aqueous solution and a purple colour in our organic layer. So, the first reaction. So here's bromine water. So the bromine water is orange. If the reaction occurs, it becomes green. Okay. Got this colour that looks a pale orange colour. Let's just double check with our cyclohexane. Is it still the bromine colour? It's orange. Okay. Starting to look a kind of more of a yellowy colour. So it's a very weak solution. And if we compare it to our authentic bromine or our authentic chlorine, we can see that it's definitely got more of this colour here than the green colour of chlorine. So no reaction has occurred. Bromine water with bromide. As we said, it's displacing itself, so we would not expect to see any observable reaction because we'd still end up with bromine water as our product. And again, that is what occurs. So no observable reaction there. Bromine water with iodide. This time there is a definite colour change. Here we can see there. That definitely looks a darker orange, a light brown colour. Let's give it a shake just to check that it is iodine formed and not bromine. And this purple layer here tells us that we have formed iodine. Okay. So, as a summary, we can say that this first reaction of bromine with chloride, that is no reaction. Okay, the reaction may be occurring here, but we don't observe it. But there is definitely a reaction here between bromine and iodide at the bottom to form iodine.